this video, I'm gonna teach you how to hold torch in left hand in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the option of using a torch in your offhand. So as you might be aware, on Minecraft Java, you can place any item on this offhand slot here. Now, on Bedrock Edition, you can place a shield, but that's pretty much it. This slot on Bedrock Edition is specifically designed for shields, and for whatever reason, they don't allow players to equip anything else. So, if you want to use a torch in your offhand, you will have to install a mod, so a resource pack and a behavior pack. You can find them available on mcpedl.com or other websites that also have hosting for mods. So, look for Torch Offhand. This one is developed by System TV, but I'm sure other people have made similar behavior packs. Once you visit this page, you just scroll all the way down and you should find the downloads here. So you have to download the BH, which is the behavior pack, and then RS, which is the resource pack. Just download the same version between both. You don't need to download all four. So 3.6.3 seems to be the latest one released. Once you have these two MC pack files, you just open them. By opening them, you will be imported inside of Minecraft, and you should see this message, successfully imported. Like I said, do the same for both, so the resource pack and the behavior pack. Once both of them have been imported inside of Minecraft, now before you join a world and you equip a torch in your offhand, go to the edit option next to any world, go under resource packs, and make sure that torch offhand has been activated. Once you do this, do the same with the behavior pack. Once you have the resource pack and the behavior pack active, now you can go ahead and join the world. There is one last step before you can actually equip the torch. You will notice that if you try to equip a normal torch without any modifications, it still is not going to work. What you have to do is put the torch into any crafting slot in a crafting table or in the inventory grid, and you will make offhand torches. So this is a different item. It has the exact same functionalities, but this item here can be equipped in your offhand, and you will notice that immediately it goes in there. And you can see that if I equip and de-equip it really fast, it is actually illuminating the ground around me. So by having this torch in my offhand, if I go into a dark area, it is going to illuminate around me. So it means that the behavior pack and resource pack are working. So I hope I was able to help you on how to use a torch in your offhand. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.